The video covers grade disputes and complaints, what to do if you believe something is incorrect, how to communicate professionally, and what the process looks like. Now, the goal here is simple: fairness, clarity, and fast resolution when something genuinely needs to be fixed. Now, most grade disputes come from one of three things. One of three things: a misunderstanding about the instruction or rubric, a technical glitch in the blackboard, or a mismatch between what a student thought was required and what was actually required. So we handle it like professionals with clear process and evidence. If you want to dispute a grade for one assignment or for your final grade, or if you want to raise a formal complaint or accommodation related concern, the first step is always the same. Contact me directly in writing. Email is best, and you should use your TCC email. Why? Because written communication creates a clear record, reduces misunderstandings, and allows us to resolve the issue efficiently. If something seems wrong, tell me. Either I will correct it or explain exactly why it is correct. Now, here's an important policy that's going to be blunt. If you bypass me and go directly to administration or other offices without contacting me first, your request will not be handled the way you think it will. What happens instead is any informal accommodations or requests tied to that issue are denied, and you are pushed into the formal grade appeal process, which is slower, more rigid, and not flexible. This isn't about ego, it is about process. The instructor is your first step because most problems can be solved or fixed quickly at the instruction level. Skipping that step doesn't help you. It slows everything down. So always start with me first. Now, if you want to dispute a grade, don't send a vague message like, why did I get this grade? Or I worked hard, or this isn't fair, or can you regrade it? That doesn't give me anything actionable. Instead, when you email me, include three things: what assignment and what specific issue. Example, Module 3 case study, rubric Category 2, evidence in sport. Module 4 exam, question 17. Project 2, file submission. And then evidence, that's your third piece. Include screenshots of the gradebook, scoring question, and any relevant submission screenshots if it's a technical issue. And your pacing schedule math. This is important. You should include your completed pacing schedule showing the points you believe you earned and what you believe your total should be. There's turns the discussion to facts, not feelings. When you do that, you can resolve most disputes efficiently and quickly. Excuse me. Next, I want you to address final grade. I want to address final grades. This course does not provide a running final grade column the way that some classes do. If you want to know your current standing, you calculate it yourself using a simple method. You go to your sticky post, get your pacing schedule post, and add up your total earned points. Divide that total points available. That gives you your current percentage. This approach is transparent and puts you in control. You don't have to guess where you stand, and there's no technical issues that can happen. Now, what I do when there's a final grade dispute, when you send a professional dispute with evidence, here's what I'm going to do. I'll verify the rubric and assignment requirements. I'll confirm your submission and timestamps. I'll check the system and gradebook errors, and I'll either correct an error or I'll explain the grading decision with reference to the rubrics and instructions. If you're right, I'll fix it. If the grade is correct, you'll get a clear explanation of why. So in one sentence, what this process looks like: if you believe something is wrong, email me first. Be professional, bring evidence, screenshots, pacing schedule, math, and we'll handle it quickly and fairly. That's it. Fair, if you can just move on from the next video from this process and go into the rest of the class. Always communicate to me first. It makes everything much, much faster and easier to deal with. Bye, guys.